The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 564 in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 6 counties in northeast Colorado: Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Julesburg, Sterling, and Windsor. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes, possible scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 3 inches in diameter, possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour possible. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.